So we've got our groovy little shell for our Kanban board. We are going to bring in some primitive components here. We've got section, which is like the highest level component you can have in your application, as far as I know. And it's really setting like full screen things. And then we've got layout, layout header, and layout content. This allows us to lay out our site with like maybe like a fixed header, which we're going to do, or a fixed footer, scrollable content area, things of that nature. And then we've got HStack. So there's HStack and VStack, and they are really just ways to simplify CSS grid, and they're actually a lot more close to Flex. So HStack is horizontal and VStack is vertical. And then they just have different alignment properties. We'll take a look at them in a second that save you some typing. You don't have to do flex and flex direction and justify content and align items and things of that nature. So we're going to kill what we have, and we're going to drop in this giant section here, and we'll step through it really quick. On our height, we've got 100 dVH, so it's dynamic VH. Then we've got our layout with a height of fill, and then our header and our content are both render props. I believe they can be JSX children, but this is the way it was in the documentation, so this is the way I'm doing it. So we've got our layout header. It's got an HStack and a heading with a level of 2. And then TypeScript, again, with some of these design tokens that we'll talk about later. And then we've got our content. Again, this is going to be like a scrollable area. So if we look over here, let me zoom this out a bit. We can see we can scroll left and right. And if I take this card, actually all the cards, and I give it a height of say 900 pixels, we can see we can scroll up and down. So we've got a fixed header and a scrollable content area. That's going to be this layout content area. So the header is fixed automatically inside this layout, and then the layout content is scrollable. And then we've got some standard typography type elements that we've used here before. There's elements like, properties like gap, V-align, H-align, things of that nature, where you are literally saying H-align between instead of justify content, space between, or V-align center instead of align items center. So all of it translates back to Flex properties. So there you go. That's nice and simple. And then all I'm doing here is mapping over a fake set of tickets, which is where, or a fake set of columns, which is where all these columns are coming from. So there you go. That's a really quick look at using some of the layout and spatial components available to you in Astryx.